Okay, female participant. 109. O, harap ka doon. What's your name?
Ariana Crisera Muniz.
Ariana. Alam mo ba kapangalan mo yung isang singer? Kilala mo ba yon? Opo. Sino pong singer yon?
Sige. Ariana Grande.
Oh, galing naman. Who's your favorite singer?
Capricorn.
Pantabi ko. Yung Bini daw po. Singer din naman sila. They sing and dance. Okay, so for today, what's your talent?
Dance.
Dance. Ready ka na po?
Opo.
Okay, let's do this. Female participant, 109.
Puso ko'y napapagyan. Iwanan sa laman.